Ireland, the Emerald Isle's enchantment. Ireland, affectionately known as the Emerald Isle, is a land where myths and reality intertwine, creating a tapestry rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Recognized globally for its vibrant green landscapes, Ireland's charm lies not just in its scenic vistas but in the warmth of its people and the depth of its ancient heritage. This island nation, with its rolling hills, rugged coastlines, and mystical castles, offers a journey into a world where every nook whispers tales of yore and every craggy shore promises adventure. The heart of Ireland beats in its lively pubs, where the strum of guitars and the rhythm of Irish jigs fill the air, fostering a sense of community and joy. It's a place where the literary genius of Yeats, Joyce, and Heaney is celebrated, their works reflecting the soulful and resilient spirit of the Irish people. Dublin, the capital, stands as a beacon of history and modernity, with the iconic Trinity College housing the ancient Book of Kells, a marvel of medieval artistry. Ireland's landscape is a realm of unparalleled beauty, from the cliffs of Moher, where the Atlantic's waves crash against towering cliffs, to the wild, untamed beauty of Connemara. The Giant's Causeway, with its hexagonal columns leading into the sea, tells a geological story millions of years old, veiled in legend. The Ring of Kerry provides a panoramic journey through mountains, lakes, and medieval ruins, each turn in the road revealing a new postcard-perfect scene. Beyond its natural wonders, Ireland is a crucible of cultural richness, from the ancient Celtic tradition of Samhain, which Halloween traces its origins to the modern-day celebration of St. Patrick's Day, a global festival of Irish identity. The Irish language, with its lyrical beauty, continues to thrive, weaving together the past and present into a continuous thread of cultural identity. Ireland invites you to immerse yourself in its enchanting landscapes, to lose yourself in the tales of its past, and to find joy in the warmth of its welcome. It's a place where the magic of the Emerald Isle turns every visit into an unforgettable story of discovery and wonder. Embark on a journey to Ireland, where the green of its fields meets the blue of its skies, where history breathes life into the present, and where every moment is an invitation to explore, dream, and connect.